Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me at Spanish for Kiddos Classroom. If you remember from lesson 1, we were learning about the basic Spanish colors terminology, and just to give you a brief overview and a review, red is rojo, orange is naranja, yellow is amarillo, green is verde, azul is blue, indigo is indigo, y violeta is violet. So this is just a very basic of the colors in Spanish, and of course you have secondary and tertiary colors as well. So from moving on to lesson 2, which is our today's lesson, is let's see how we can use these colors into a Spanish sentence so that we can see them into a more realistic visualization. For instance, if we have this sentence, la caja es, and our example is green, which is verde, how can we use verde in this example? So in this case, we would write then, la caja es verde. So now we have our Spanish color in a more realistic way. So it's not just a color, but it represents also now that the box is green. So another example, for instance, is el zapato es, and I'm going to write it in a different color so that you can see what else we could use. For instance, we can say that el zapato es marrón. The shoe is brown. So in this case, we can say that this particular example, that the shoe is brown. So it's describing our noun, which is zapato. So if we use these examples are in singular, and if we use them in plural, then once again our colors are also going to be dependent on our noun. In this case would be marrones. So notice how also it changed based on what we had for our noun. If I wanted to do caja, and I say from a singular caja to a plural cajas, then I would say las cajas son verdes. So I hope that you can see that there's many ways that you can use colors. They're very descriptive, they're adjectives, so they describe your noun in a particular way. And so when you're reading literature, when you start reading very simple Spanish stories, you can see now that you can relate those colors. They're not just isolated, but they're actually describing your noun. I hope you like this lesson, and if you do, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up or leave me any comments. Were there any colors that I didn't mention here? I'm sure I didn't. There's many other ones that you like to see an example for. Please let me know at the comment section. Thank you so much for watching today. Goodbye.